as synchronicity or serendipity. Serendipity, you know, serendipity and synchronicity are often used interchangeably, but the disparity is the fact that these, one example is you come to the United States to become a famous actor, but you end up playing football and you end up becoming famous, right? So serendipity is when you have a chain of events, right, that does not work out in your favor, but the synchronistic chain of futuristic event sort of outlay favorable and advantageous outcomes in your favor. So from a metaphysical perspective, coincidences is defined as synchronicity. Now coincidences is defined as coincidence from a scientific perspective, because from a primarily a scientific world have a